the same. Don't make it complicated. So baby, do you dare? Don't.
Hey guys, hey awesome people, welcome back to my channel, Adam's Apple. And if you're new here guys, welcome. My name is Adam. I'm a vlogger from Cebu City, the Philippines, and I pretty much make videos on skincare, reviews, music, pretty much whatever, or also how-to videos and love advices or whatever. I also do covers. I do a lot. Anyway, as you can probably tell on the video, I will be reviewing the Belo Tinted Sunscreen. This was actually sent to me by Sample Room PH. If you have not seen that video before, I will link it above on the on the info card or on the description box. So pretty much Sample Room PH sent me some Belo products so that I'll be able to review and pretty much tell them if this is gonna be good for me or for everyone. So anyway, I already have washed my face. If you want to know what I'm using this acne care soap. I've been using actually this for quite a long time already, for for a lot of several years, and that one is, I believe, 150 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So what I love about that is that it pretty much like controls my acne or my breakouts. I am very prone to allergies and also pimples, so that soap is quite how do you say it in Tagalog, sort of hiyang for me. So first, I already washed my hands as well. Oh, by the way guys, before I forgot, sorry about the noise outside. Before I forgot, please subscribe if you haven't still yet, and also hit the notification bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new video. Alright, so I already washed my face, and also make sure that your hands are clean. So this is the product sent by Sample Room PH. So it's Belo Tinted Sunscreen. It's just 10 ml, and also guys, I don't think I need to say this, but obviously you already know that, especially that it's summertime here in the Philippines, sunblock or sunscreen is very important. I can't stress that enough. Alright, so I already opened it. Let's start. So I'm going to try to put the product on just on one side of my face first. Anyway, it says here, get superior sun protection plus a flawless no makeup look every day. Use alone for instant perfecting coverage, or layer under your favorite foundation or powder. It says here as well that it's paraben free, non-comedogenic, which is a good thing because it does not clog your pores, hypoallergenic as well, and dermatologists attested. And it has the instructions at the back. I don't know if you can see it. That's the front. So, and it is SPF 50++, which is absolutely awesome. Alright, so I'm gonna open it. I already did, and let's see what it looks like. So I'm squeezing it right now. Oh, where are the products, guys? Wait. It's kind of watery actually. I'll put it right now. It's watery, guys. It's kind of like dripping on my face. I know, dripping on my fingers. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Perfecting shield. I can't squeeze out any product. I don't know. Maybe because it's just 10 ml. It looks like this. There. So I'll put just a small amount. Let's see. As you can see, I have some redness on my face though, but let's just see if there is some, because it supposedly have like a protective layer or some sort of a coverage. But of course, I'm not expecting too much because it's just a sunscreen. It's not literally makeup or whatever. But as you can see, I just put like a very small amount. I don't know if you can see the difference. Oh, okay. It sort of like calms my redness. It hides my redness on my, on this part. Can you see the difference, guys? It is. It does actually. All right. I'll put it on the other side. It looks good. See, it's like, because I used to have like some red spots here earlier before I put the stuff or the product, and right now it seems like it neutralizes my skin tone for some reason. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I actually can. I'll try to put it on the other side of my face, and then let's see the difference. You know what, I'm trying, it's hard to squeeze out the product. I mean, yeah, literally. Anyway, yeah, it looks like that again, and then let's see. Because from this part here, there's a lot of redness, as you can see. I know I should have shaved. Sorry about my face, but anyway, yeah. I'm just trying to wing it right now. This is my first time trying out this sort of semi makeup product actually. I'm calling it semi because it's not like a complete makeup because it's just sunscreen, but it does have a toning adapt technology, so pretty much like a concealer type. So let's see, just gonna put it a little bit right now. You have like a really huge forehead, so I don't know if I'm doing this right. Let me know in the comment section. I guess above all else you need to like avoid the eye area because this is supposed to be like really sensitive part of our face. Wow, I'm loving it so far actually. So it has this sort of toning adapt factor that I'm seeing right now. So it's like you're wearing makeup but not really. But of course the coverage is just pretty minimal. You know? I'm loving it though. And it also smells so good. I'm just not sure how much this like at retail, what's the retail price of this? Because like I said, it has only been sent by Sample Room PH. Yeah, I believe that's it for now. And then we'll check on the oil situation after a few hours perhaps. Because as you can probably tell, I have really oily skin. And I'll try to blot my face with a oil film, whatever, to check what happens after a few hours. But right now though, it's looking really good. It's like I'm not wearing something. It's very light. And like I said, it actually hides the redness in my face. Can you see it? But there's still a little bit here on the nose. But yeah, like I said, it's not. It's only like a tinted sunscreen product, so it's not like really makeup. So it's not a concealer. But so far so good. I'll see you after a few hours, and then let's check the oil situation. All right.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, I'm back and I almost forgot to give you an update. So it's literally like a few hours after I put the Belo sunscreen, and this is what my face looks like right now. By the way, earlier I went to the market to buy some viand, or to buy some food for lunch. And right now it's almost 3 in the afternoon. So literally like a few hours, maybe 5 or 6 hours after I put the sunscreen on. And right now the weather here at Cebu City is kind of gloomy, so maybe that helped as well to sort of keep the freshness in my face. But as you can see, it still does look good, right? I mean, yeah. So anyway, I have my oil film paper here. Let's check the oil situation. But as of this time though, I can feel no oiliness at all, but let's just see. Let's try this part here. Sorry, I'm looking at my face. Okay, I'm going to put on my forehead as well. And yeah, it looks, I don't know if you can see it, but just really minimal oil secretions actually, guys. Sorry about the noise outside. Oh my god, you know what, seriously, I think I really love this product. There's some oil, but yeah, it's kind of expected because, to be fair, with it's a sunscreen, and it didn't really indicate that it has like sort of an oil control feature or protection. So in all fairness to the Belo Tinted Sunscreen product, it is awesome. It passed our oil test. Yeah, ew, right? Anyway, guys, well, final thoughts. Pros. Well, it smells really, really good. It has like a fresh scent, or yeah. Second, it's really, really handy. Well, it's just for the 10 ml size. I know that there is a much bigger size as well, and also it has coverage. So as you can tell earlier, when I put the product on this side of my face, it has like a much better coverage than the other part, especially with the redness on my face earlier. So it has a it has some sort of a concealing effect for our skin imperfections, which is a good job. And also, I checked online, by the way, guys, it's around 150 pesos. Yeah, something for that price range. So it is a good deal. So I gotta say, all in all, I think because sunscreen or sunblock, normally it is, well, sort of kind of expensive, right? So for a 10 ml, and then having this some sort of a very beneficial effect with SPF 50 plus plus and all that stuff, and it has like a coverage as well, it's really a good thing. Now if you're one of those persons who would really like to have maximum coverage, then I would suggest that after you put this on, you can maybe put powder or something like that, so, or your actual makeup. So I gotta say that I would definitely buy this. It's sort of approved by me, Adam's Apple. And if you like this video, guys, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. By the way, for the next video, we'll be doing I'll be showing to you some of my skincare essentials, summer skincare product essentials as well, which, well, of course, this one right now is definitely one of them. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Stay awesome, everyone. Have a great weekend, by the way.